Good morning to all. Today we are moving to the last topic of this chapter, and that is about uses of air. We know that we need air to live, so air is all around us. Can we see air? No, but we can feel air. So today let's discuss about the uses of air. So the first one is regulate temperature. So air, it helps to regulate temperature. So heat from the sun, it reaches the earth and the air absorbs heat and it spreads to all over the earth. So, and this keeps the earth warm. It does not allow the regions on the earth that receives less heat to become very cold, and the region of the earth that receives more heat to become very hot. So here the air actually regulates the temperature. It maintains the temperature. That is the first one. The second one is ozone layer protects life. So besides the visible light that the sun produces, so the sun also produces ultraviolet rays which are harmful for all the living things. So this layer of ozone gas which is situated in the upper region of the atmosphere, this ozone layer, it absorbs the ultraviolet rays and it thereby protects all kinds of living things. So that is the second use of air, that is ozone layer protects life. The next is that dispersal of pollen grains and seeds. So the wind, it carries away the pollen grains of flowers and seeds, so thereby it helps plants to reproduce. So air helps in dispersal of pollen grains and seeds. The next is wind, which is a source of energy. So wind has energy that is used to operate turbines. Then nowadays windmills are also used to produce electricity. Moving on to the next one, that is other uses of air. The first one is air is used to inflate balls and tires of vehicles. So air, it can take the shape of any substance when it is pushed into it. So that the air, it is used to inflate balls and tires of vehicles. The second one is helps in conducting medium of sound. Air is used to play musical instrument. For example, flute. Flute is one such musical instrument. The next is helps in drying. So when we put the wet clothes for drying, the air surrounding the clothes, it absorbs the moisture till the clothes become dry. So the air, it helps in drying. Another use of air is that we have learnt about winnowing, right? So what it is? It is a method by which the farmers use wind to separate lightweight waste materials from the grain. So that process is called winnowing, which is another use of air. So these are the other different uses of air. So we are done with the chapter, the importance of air. You have an activity in page number 240, that is the project SON. And you can do the second one. You can just go through it, understand it, and just complete the activity. And once you are done, you can submit in Teams. Then you can go through the exercise from page number 211 to 213. Complete all the exercise. So we'll meet in the next class and we'll start a new chapter. Till then, thank you.